Hello, welcome to African Joy channel. In today's lesson, we'll be looking at a new topic. For those of you that have been watching my videos, my infographics, you know I post educational content. So, this channel is mainly for L2 learners. When I say L2, I mean those that English is not their first language. Okay? So today's topic will be English essays. Today we're looking at the different types of English essays that we have. So let's dive into what we have today. But before we do that, what is an essay? You might ask. An essay is a short piece of writing which is meant for publication. It could be published in a magazine, a newspaper, a religious journal, and so on and so forth. And we have different types of essays, and these different types of essays has to do with the kind of audience it is meant for. Okay? And essays are used to communicate ideas, opinions, and information in diverse contexts. We have 6 types of English essays. They are descriptive essay, narrative essay, expository essay, argumentative essay, imaginative essay, and article writing. So when we are looking at descriptive essay, we're talking about describing something. Okay? Narrative essay is when you give a narration about something. You narrate an occurrence. It could be an event. It could be an incident. It could be something you witnessed or something you read about. Expository essay. When we're talking about expository essay, we are talking about exposing something, expose. The next one is argumentative essay. We got argumentative essay from the word argument. When you argue with somebody, you're trying to reach a particular opinion. Probably you do not agree, but you might end up agreeing or you end up disagreeing with each other, or it could be a group of people. Imaginative essay is gotten from the word imagine, imagination. Then, last but not the least, article writing. So let's take a look at the first essay, descriptive essay. When we're talking about descriptive essay is a type of essay that vividly describes a person, a place, object, or event in detail. You're trying to describe something, and when you are describing something, it gives an image in your mind. It gives a kind of picture. Okay? For example, the sunset at the beach. When somebody says the sun sets at the beach, the first thing that comes into your mind is the sun and how it sets, how it rises, at what time of the day, at the beach. Who goes to the beach? What is the beach all about? What do you see when you get to the beach? Even if you're somebody who haven't seen the beach before, or you haven't seen the sun set or rise, descriptive essay will give you a description of how this happens. Another example of descriptive essay, if I ask you to describe your room, you will give me in detail everything you have in your room, from your bed, the position of your bed, your sofa, if you have a laptop in your room, your carpet, so many things, your curtains, the color of your curtains. That will give me an image in my mind to know what you're talking about. Narrative essay, simple and short storytelling. Everybody gives narration of different things. It depends on what you're talking about. You could start your story with a proverb. I idiomatic expression, or you just start your story from the beginning. Okay? Example, the day I will never forget. Wow, a day I will never forget is the day I entered an airplane. It sounds funny, doesn't it? Well, for some of us, it's like a luxury, while in some other parts of the world, it's a normal way of life. The next one is expository essay. When you're exposing something, it provides facts, statistics, and examples that educate and inform. For example, the effects of climate change. We all know about what happened when COVID-19 was like a bomb. At the beginning, nobody knew what it was all about, but due to the expose, the expository infographics, adverts, information, even drama, we all had the knowledge about what COVID-19 was all about. The next one is argumentative essay. I said it before, arguments. Simple and short, debate. Politicians these days debate to let their people know what they'll be doing when they come into the office, the problem solving and critical thinking ideas. Example, the impact of social media on mental health. You and I know that social media has a great impact on mental health. Imaginative essay enables readers to immerse themselves in unique and imaginative experiences. You see, writers explore their creativity. When a writer begins to write about something that doesn't exist, he or she is exploring their creativity. Their writing lies between reality and fantasy. If I write a story about a man that can fly, I am exploring my creativity, and this is an example of imaginative essay. So last but not the least is article writing. It's a form of writing that aims to inform, entertain, or persuade readers about a specific topic or subject. Yes, articles can vary in style and tone. Articles is also known as blogging. When you need information, you go to Google, you click on articles people have written, which they have blogged on. You can find them on the internet, in newspapers, magazines, and everywhere. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. I'd love to get comments from you. I'll see you in my other educational videos. Do not forget, always jot down information from lessons that you get from me. Today's topic is English essays. Thank you.